Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix InZOI crashing at startup, not opening or launching. So first step would be to go to their store page and check their system requirements. If your PC or laptop is within these requirements, then you're good to go. If your PC is not as good as the minimum one, then that's why it's not launching. Another thing to do and to try is restart Steam. So you just go to Task Manager, find Steam, and end the task, and basically restart it like so. After that, you also want to go ahead and try to restart your PC and see if the problem was fixed or not. If the problem is still not fixed, you also want to go ahead and close any background applications on Task Manager while you're here. So for example, like NVIDIA app, you want to end the task, and some other background applications which uses a lot of memory and CPU. And you also want to turn off MSI Afterburner, ReWaTurner, and other apps which you may use. Another thing to try is go on search bar, write on Steam, right click on it and run it as administrator and see if the problem was fixed and if InZOI is opening or not. If it's still not fixed, then you want to go ahead on Steam, then click on settings. Then you want to click on downloads and scroll down until you see clear download cache. You want to go ahead and clear the cache and see if the problem was fixed or not. Another thing to try if nothing worked is to update your drivers. So you can do this by using, for example, NVIDIA app if you have NVIDIA drivers. And by going here on drivers, you will find the latest drivers which you can download. If you use AMD, you can also do this on AMD. Or you can also go ahead and write down NVIDIA drivers, latest, and basically manually download them from there, like AMD and Intel also. Now, if that still didn't fix the problem, you want to write down on search core isolation, open it, turn off memory integrity, restart your PC, and launch the game. If the game works, then you want to turn back on memory integrity. If that didn't fix anything, you want to go ahead and go on Steam, right-click on InZOI, go to Properties, Install Files, Browse, then click on Blue Client, Binaries, Win64, and here you will see InZOI Win64 shipping.exe file. You want to right-click on it, go to Properties, go to Compatibility, run this program as administrator, try this out. If that didn't do anything, then you also want to disable full screen optimizations, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and change high DPI settings, override, application, click OK, and apply, and see if the problem was fixed or not. Now you want to go ahead and copy this game directory, because we will need it later. So if that didn't fix anything, you want to go ahead, go to your graphics settings, go on the search bar, write down graphics settings, open this. Then you want to add a desktop app, and you're going to go ahead and paste that directory right there and add the InZOI Win64 shipping.exe file there. After that, you will find it right here. And after that, you want to choose GPU preference. You want to choose high performance. If the problem still persists, you want to go on search bar and write on virus and threat protection. From there, you want to choose manage settings right there. Scroll to the bottom, see exclusions, click add or remove exclusion, click yes. And then you want to add a exclusion right there. So again, you're going to add a file. And you're going to add that InZOI Win64 shipping.exe file there, and you will have there on exclusions. If that didn't fix the problem, you also want to do the same on Windows Defender Firewall. Open it, then click allow an app or feature to go for it. Click change settings, and here you're going to allow an app and browse, and again, add the same file right there. And after that, you want to make sure that private and public both are checked mark right there. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, you also want to verify the file. So you're going to right click on it, go to Properties, Installed Files, and verify the integrity of the game files on Steam. That usually fixes the problem for a lot of people. So see if that fixed it for you or not. Another thing to try while you are here, you click on General and you want to disable Steam overlay. You also want to disable Discord overlay if you have it. And now the last thing to try is to install Microsoft Visual C++. So just go to Microsoft.com and you will find it there, and you're going to download the latest downloads. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time.